I woke up today and I thought, what a good day for a vlog. I'll go out for a ride, catch my thoughts, kind of start the day great. And then, come with me, I woke up to this. Now, I've ridden in snow before, but I can't ride in that. That's at least 8 inches. Over 6 inches of snow, which, I could ride in if it wasn't freezing temperatures. So today is not going to be a moto vlog. Today is going to be a snow shovel vlog. I got nothing else. Alright, well normally I would just let this melt because it's really not, it's pretty early, right? So, but since I was going to do a video today, I figured why not just shovel the driveway. Some of you guys that have been following me notice that I have a different name. So yes, I did decide to change my name. I mostly wanted to kind of be a little more consistent with things and not have it say sperm. But I go into the details of my last video I put up, so if you guys are interested in watching that, go for it. But I don't know, if I take the day off today, I might be able to get a ride in later. What do you think? So I'm out here in my helmet, and I'm sure my neighbors are looking at me going, what the hell is he doing? Why does he have his motorcycle helmet on? Filming, yo. Filming. So when I decided to change my name, I went ahead and made a Facebook. I also made an Instagram and a Twitter, which I don't use Twitter, but I wanted to get it. So if you guys want, I'll link all the social media down in the description. You can follow me on those. So the reason I haven't really put out a video is because I wanted to do another moto vlog. But the GoPro adapter that I got is bad. So I thought it kind of works if I unplug and plug in the mic while I'm talking. I can hear myself, and then it goes away, and then I hear myself, and then it goes away. So I thought, well, it's either the adapter from the mic to the GoPro adapter, or it's the GoPro adapter. Well, the GoPro adapter was $50. So I bought the mic adapter, which is only $12. I bought a different brand. And so I had to wait for that to show up. So it finally showed up yesterday. Plugged it in. Nothing. So it's definitely the GoPro adapter that's bad. So I need to get a hold of GoPro. I got it through work. Through like a safety program we have. We can buy stuff if you get enough points. But I don't know if I'm going to need the receipt. But I need to get a hold of GoPro because I kind of need that. Not that I'm going to do a lot of moto vlogs, but when I do decide to do one, I kind of want a microphone to work. So I got this plugged into my phone, and I'll have to sync it up later, but it's kind of a pain in the dick. Can you believe we got this much snow? It was just Halloween. It's ridiculous. My little skeleton dogs are covered in snow. Mama drove over the snow on the way to work, packed it down, but it's really not stuck too bad. I did get my editing computer back up and running. They sent me some new RAM. And right at first the LEDs on it didn't work, so I was a little disappointed, but after a reboot it started working. So actually, I'm going to finish this, and then I'll go in and we'll show you guys my setup that I used to edit on. Definitely should have got the snowblower ready before we got that snow. I am way too out of shape to be shoveling the driveway. Anyway, let's go to the office. I'll show you the computer. So here's the rig. That's my RAM that went bad. It's fixed now. I put some white cables in it, just kind of make it look a little nicer in there. There's a little glare from the monitors and the lights, but it looks pretty cool with the lights off. Not that I'm in here a lot with the lights off, but it's a 3-monitor setup. So I've got, this is mostly a monitor for temperatures and things like that. The middle one is my main monitor, and then the side one is more for if I have a folder open or something when I'm video editing, I can just quickly grab from that. Over here is just my browsing computer. It's where I get image files, things like that for my videos, and just general web surfing. I don't do much web surfing on the other one, just due to the fact that I don't want to get malware viruses in it, because I don't have time to deal with that. I guess while we're in here, I'll give you a quick tour of the office. This is my old band I talked about in my 3x3 video. It's just newspaper articles and things like that we got over the years. Ticket stubs, promo pictures, just other pictures that we got from people that, you know, took pictures at the concerts and whatnot. I mean, it's not November 5th, but there's that. I'm a huge Metallica fan, probably my favorite band since I was, I don't know, 9. I just got these actually. We went and saw them in September and got those. Got the Pop Rocks. Got the old 90s James Hetfield, Harvester of Sorrow. Then I got just random things. Got some Killswitch VIPs, Seether VIP, Machine Head, which I'm growing less fond of, but I did get my my OG Burn My Eyes cover signed by Rob, which was pretty cool. I got a big flag at the VIP, and then I used to follow Volbeat around like a whore from probably 2009 to 16 or 17. I followed Volbeat, and this isn't all my stuff. It's just some random stuff I picked, but guitar picks, signed everything. I've got set lists, ticket stubs, VIPs. Some of these VIPs, like this one here, just got for, I mean, they're not paid VIPs. Michael Polson's ex-wife now handed those out to us. She's like, oh, it's nice. We were in Vegas, and she recognized us and was like, it's nice to see you guys again. Gave us some VIPs, and they hooked us up pretty well. And then this shirt here is you can only get from the band. You can't buy it. They just give it to you for going to a whole bunch of their shows. So I didn't really go into my name too much earlier, but I spent like an entire week trying to figure out what I wanted for a name. I finally settled on BlacktopDevil. Blacktop. Also wanted to keep the devil part of my name just for recognizability. Is that a word? So, but after a couple hundred ideas bouncing off Heather, bouncing off some of my friends, this is what I settled on. Let me know in the comments if you like it, don't like it, whatever. I'll link my Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter down below if you want to follow me on any of those. But that'll do it for today's vlog. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Give this video a like, and we'll see you guys next time.